Want to see me, sir?
Yeah. Something to talk about. We've intercepted this call from a group that's named the RAA. Said that they're coming to the main road. The hostage is with us. The bombs are ready in case if someone fires at us. RAA Squad 13.
I say we should ambush them.
Yeah.
They're on their way here. They're on the main road that's right next to our base. We could take them out easily.
We should set up areas with snipers ready to ambush. If anything goes wrong, we'll have a squad at the back.
Alright, got it.
We need you covering at Alpha. I'll cover Charlie, and then we'll have a person at Bravo.
Got it.
Alpha ready. Charlie ready. Bravo ready.
Target sighted.
Copy. Copy. Fire on 3.
1,
2. 3. Run!
execute.
Tango down. Get up. I said get up. Get downstairs. I'm gonna take you in for questioning.
You get him?
Yeah, he's in there. The other fuck's dead.
Alright.
Hopefully we get some answers out of him.
I'll interrogate him.
No, I'll do it.
Sure?
You cover the base. Make sure there's nobody else here.
Alright.
Now, where do you get the hostage?
Hell no. Russian assassins do not talk.
I'll shoot ya. Want that to happen?
Go ahead.
Now, where do you get her?
She was alive after we raided the village. We took her with us.
Now, where do you get the bombs?
You really don't get it, do you? This facility, the whole RAA has loads of them. In fact, I have one with me.